Welcome to this introduction to Google Cloud Platform's Compute Engine. In this series, we'll explore one of the most fundamental services in Google Cloud Platform, the virtual machine service that powers countless applications and workloads across the globe. Compute Engine is Google's infrastructure as a service offering that allows you to run virtual machines in Google's state-of-the-art data centers. Whether you're hosting websites, processing data, or running complex applications, Compute Engine provides the computing power you need. Let's dive in and understand what makes this service essential for cloud computing. Compute Engine is Google Cloud Platform's infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, product. Think of it as renting powerful computers in Google's data centers instead of buying and maintaining your own physical servers. It delivers scalable, high-performance virtual machines that run on the same robust infrastructure powering Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. With Compute Engine, you get customizable virtual machines tailored to your specific needs, high performance with Google's cutting-edge hardware, full control over your computing environment, and access to Google's global infrastructure spanning multiple regions and zones worldwide. This combination makes Compute Engine a powerful foundation for any cloud-based application. Let's explore the key features that make Compute Engine stand out. First, you have the flexibility to choose between predefined and custom machine types. Predefined types offer standard configurations, while custom machine types let you specify exact CPU and memory combinations for your workload. Second, persistent disks provide durable block storage that exists independently of your virtual machine instances, ensuring your data remains safe even if a VM is deleted. Third, live migration is a game-changing feature where your virtual machines continue running during host system maintenance with absolutely zero downtime. Finally, Compute Engine uses per-second billing with a 1-minute minimum, meaning you only pay for the exact compute time you use, making it extremely cost-effective. Compute Engine offers 4 main categories of machine types, each optimized for different workloads. General-purpose machines, including E2, N2, Entity, and N1 series, provide a balanced ratio of CPU and memory suitable for most everyday workloads like web serving and small databases. Compute-optimized machines, such as C2 and C2D series, deliver high performance per core, making them ideal for compute-intensive tasks like batch processing and high-performance computing. Memory-optimized machines, including M2 and M1 series, offer a high memory-to-CPU ratio perfect for in-memory databases and analytics. Finally, Accelerator-optimized machines, like the A2 series, come with attached GPUs designed specifically for machine learning training and graphics-intensive workloads. Understanding storage options is crucial for designing your cloud infrastructure. Persistent disk is network-attached storage available in both standard hard disk drive and solid-state drive formats. It's durable, survives virtual machine deletion, and can be resized as needed. Local SSD, on the other hand, is physically attached directly to your virtual machine's host computer, offering higher throughput and input-output operations per second, but the data is lost when the VM stops. Cloud storage provides object storage accessible via APIs with unlimited scalability and can be mounted to your VMs using a file system interface. Lastly, every virtual machine has a boot disk containing the operating system image, which can be a persistent disk and supports both Google-provided and custom images. Networking is a fundamental aspect of cloud computing, and Compute Engine provides comprehensive networking capabilities. Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, networks allow you to create isolated virtual networks with customizable IP address ranges and subnets for organizing your resources. Firewall Rules give you granular control over incoming and outgoing traffic, letting you define security policies at the network and instance level. Load balancing distributes incoming traffic across multiple virtual machine instances, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance for your applications. Finally, you can assign both external and internal IP addresses to your instances. These can be ephemeral, which change each time you restart, or static, which remain constant for reliable public and private communication. One of Compute Engine's most attractive features is its flexible and cost-effective pricing model. Per-second billing charges you for compute time in 1-second increments with just a 1-minute minimum, ensuring you never overpay for unused time. Sustained use discounts are applied automatically when your virtual machines run for more than 25% of the month, providing discounts of up to 30% without any commitment required. Committed use discounts offer even greater savings, up to 57%, when you commit to using specific resources for 1-year or 3-year terms. Finally, preemptible VMs are short-lived instances offered at up to 80% discount, perfect for fault-tolerant and batch processing workloads that can handle interruptions. Compute Engine serves a wide variety of use cases across different industries. For web hosting, you can host web applications, REST APIs, and microservices with auto-scaling capabilities that automatically adjust to traffic demands. In scientific computing, researchers leverage Compute Engine for data analysis, simulations, and high-performance computing workloads that require massive computational power. Data processing is another major use case, where organizations process large datasets, run ETL pipelines, and execute batch processing jobs efficiently. Finally, game servers benefit from Compute Engine's low latency and high availability features, making it ideal for deploying multiplayer game backends that require real-time responsiveness and global reach. These are just a few examples of how Compute Engine empowers modern cloud applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.